This video was made in collaboration with Fabrizio Cerretu, the founder of the LinkedIn group, Lean Manufacturing, and Kaizen. Hi. In this video you will learn: what is talk time? Why is it important? How to calculate talk time? What is the difference between cycle time, bottleneck, and talk time? Talk time is the right time to meet customer demand, avoiding stock wastes or missing deliveries. In other words, talk time is the speed with which the product needs to be created to satisfy customer demand. Talk time formula. Talk time equals net time available for production divided customers demand at that time. Example: if we have a demand like in this graph, talk time in January is equals 20 working days multiplied 7,5 hours a day divided 1000 units equals 9 minutes for 1 unit. Talk time has to be always higher than the production time of each station. Cycle time is the time it takes to complete the production of one unit from start to finish. If we produce a product in different steps, cycle time is the sum of all time spent at each station. In this example it equal to 87 minutes. A bottleneck, or constraint, in a supply chain, is the resource that requires the longest time in operations for a certain demand. A bottleneck paces the speed of the production, and it can impact or not customer demand. Case 1. In the graph, you can see that the station 4 is the bottleneck of our process with 22 minutes. 22 minutes are higher than talk time, and this one will have an impact on customers' delivery. Case 2. On the other hand, you see that the station 4 is lower than talk time, so it will not impact on customers' delivery but will give the pace to the production. This tutorial is made thanks to Lean thinkers that are supporting monthly. If you want me to create other videos and joining the greatest Lean thinkers community with a lot of benefits, click the link below.